Yes, the world is opening up. Even Italy is opening its borders to tourists. And if you have been quarantined, if you have restricted yourself from going out because of outside influences or because you felt it was the right thing to do, I applaud you. And I want to encourage you to face your fear, face your resistance of dating. If you're looking for a happy, loving connection, if you're looking to be in a happy, healthy relationship, we've got to get you over FODA, that fear of dating again, that fear of dating at all. And so I want to invite you to a free workshop on June 16th. It's going to be Zoom, so you get to stay at home. You can be half dressed, that's fine, women. I don't mind at all. Just come as you are. And let's face your fears, your resistance to dating. And let's do this in a fun, relaxed atmosphere. It's June 16th, and I look forward to you joining me.